And why I fear ni fear and talk with a how much in the MPP. Now there are two finest communications officers in the MPP party. Dennis Miracles Aboagye. Only Kwesi Kwarteng we say Oma be clash. Concerning and someone Ken Agyapong Ken Agyapong ebe kan fa for hospital no ho. Any threat a wasa be born Kwesi Kwarteng from the camp of Ken Agyapong. Any Dennis Miracles Aboagye from the camp of Baumia. Omo abe clash. Me ba nchiri mu no akere wadwen e de amame. E will comment section. I PENYAH Block Media. Mesra say any demo. Obe like if you are down about subscribe button, na be click notification icon of this. Abi some better wadwen de amame. E will comment section. Oba so a no share force anya bia. No kan for nala money send app and the amount. Nala for say use my promo code PENYAH TV. Ever send this car every fee. O wa control na po bia send this car. And first car command agent be ese on send e one no afre e fie no bisa sika na bedrom se maye na yam je show there be nala for say omo dwene wo ho. Because oya me fan intino omo dwene ho omo yi sa pressure fi do one kasa ko Play Store ko App Store twe app no to phone so eye nala register account o send this car was using promo code PENYAH TV now send this car we are obecho $20 period na opede eye nala no be use be na yem kwem. Now let's go to the story. I was saying now on the camp of the MPP nan ko bia nim say asumdwe aba but asatin kense adis kolom ni nyina fa afarin sensem MP for Kwaferi Honomo, Emma Ombeye Brewer on the internet, and now so a Canadian company Ken Agyapong, the baby that say, almost ever can be, no Kayano, MPP members need be ever attack Ken. Emma, there was a letter. Now letter no na Ken agents be can and some little be kind letter anymore. Now Muchiremu said they demand retraction and public apology from Ken Agyapong to the camp of the MPP. Now you know that letter no. Yet the AI and the general It isn't an official letter from JFK, rather from MPP camp. No. And you will be our time MPP, not just a person. Obeying MPP, no, there be a problem. Obi and the AI, a generate so that Ken Ehuna, a bear Ken Abufu, na Ken's Ababe Kasa. It will be Obi Bonsembi, and the AI, a generate that letter. But Ken who, you know, Ken Bufu, ye. Ken say, just a moment say, me ma can't ferry asem, it may retract it. Now me say apologize to who? Most in me chatro, any moon so many can't able friend with and some candidate ever kind idea. Now no airshipper. I say, which say he's not stupid to support the party. Meaning say, send ya offering sense when you cry buy ya. Kennedy didn't count boni triple per se 2027 June July no or be attack MPP 80 minutes say that they can do a nya for instance we kwa na esia anka dey duru hono mu a obeya kwa kan sembi na mpi before ni bia be kasa na nka obegina no so abe do person ye we what say so kan na asema si ne ana man for kan about what 2027 June July it means say e ya dey on na tena dem a planning that say party dey obeboa ba party na gu ai obeboa ama party na gu fon obeboa gu party na mamo what is it but Ken Samra Ken eno ana Kwesi Kwarteng awoye Kennedy spokesperson ekwa grant interview on Asempa TV and Asempa Radio and Asempa FM na hono eno chire say Kennedy Samra Ken dey say bia it is born out of the stress na say we opese or denta wan to ban people party but name no a party unity ana Kennedy Samra Ken all party there
eno dey friend we nyabone I mean you know sir it's the obvious honorable Ken Agyapong ekasa enra in an interview I think on the 2 TV na in some more kind na generate a whole conversation on social media I mean listening to him personally yes only na yejuma closely utie in some more kind na were you surprised yourself?
Obi dey enti na we lawyer di you structure question I so dey movie o afro maybe I dey free I say were you surprised yourself Obi ba me free her Ken deeply invested party man
okay
Obi a wode sika ene na hoden ene na koma nyina abo party no enti media bi bi free Ken enum aba whether expressly or by conduct no Obi media no gidi say na dream point church enye say or the best party and also the better party so the me o share asemo kan ya for me enye my titi commentaries ni bibia is not really an issue of Ken versus the party
okay
but for me no it has more to do with how party no manage disagreements and concerns at one more members be the I mean, we'll be lying to ourselves if you share who say after a very tense contest, to be here an aspect of reconciliation and true dispute resolution. And you go on who say be a reconciliation, and call properly. You get somebody like Ken, you will see say he will be expressing those concerns. You will be an ordinary person to what it may come out and say be the panel has been frustrated or not. But remember one scenario. So year to abano. Remember me wu the year 2001. So be na me name fi work. Obi ti ase me you. Oko go hospital. Now we praise believe say praise before yem pai bobi. Na oko pai bonase a PF hospital premises so. All no mo so painful bi aye dey e twahwe. Na ye rush and the back to the hospital. Omba no mo so admission. Eje ko eje ebo anya anyi ana wo free. Ne ba no so okọ no so anyi ene ye pai no the ban ye de to ne nchen na akora 29 years then ana ono obesie no obi ubeje di say and now no presidential prime minister ye ko ye enya nipa o mu di video see omo so e kan say e ma me wu ye sie ne sa akokọ this is to me Kwesi Kwarteng let me tam kesi o and I felt so hurt na me share me Kwesi Kwarteng as just an ordinary spokesperson. And how and sema mete wo masum ene mentam ene no ma e broso na me share the multiple of attacks and insults e ko yura Ken Agyapong so na me hu say she we be bia na yan kan okran kire ye ho and say look into each other's faces and forgive each other one here abey say that ye be kwa dan ye ho aba e kwa esa kwa kopem. So for me obi samia what happened with Ken's comment, offers an opportunity for reflection and not a declaration for war. So for me, the important question will be say lessons be and a party strong parties are built on reconciliation and proper dispute mechanisms. Strong parties, they are not built without disagreement. We they are disagreements in the concerns they but when those concerns are raised, a DNA afaho. And for me, there a course within this one. You say, Ken Agyapong, you a free Abeka, you see, Abeka, if you ask me, Adjobrel, it's just an opportunity, an invitation for all of us to then look at our reconciliation mechanisms, look at our dispute resolution mechanisms. Obi, a funny car, nobody is really never fako.
That's true.
And your opponent in the one, NDC. So why do we have prolonged conflict that do not benefit us? And we are all playing the ostrich games as if everything is well. Let's be very honest to ourselves. Own up to responsibility. No more a year, Dr. Baomiamono, it be in and no more almost come to ye, it be in it is so big to be nature seminar, or what. If you ask me, it's an invitation for all of us to sit down. Then come a patch on tray and then use us as an opportunity to strengthen the unity, then prepare a year ahead of the 2028 elections. Now go ahead, oh, uniform, oh, Okasado. At the end of the day, who does it benefit? Can you nipa? Obi me boss no? As you said, you and you be obey a big draho, I can't crash and say, papa. Sasso na utie a fan of Subibia, and you be almost baby and a papa. But how do we build a consensus in moments like this? And I trust Dr. Baumier's leadership. Say they should take this as an opportunity and a moment to reflect and build true and proper reconciliation so that we'll be able to achieve the unity that we want.
Now I know Anna Dennis Makabaye say Kwesi Kwarteng unity bay obi threat obi bot threat also unity and way as say more Dennis Abeka
repeated. He mentioned specific names. Do you think, sir, in the interest of party unity, those specific names you should maybe render an unqualified apology to him, and then you can move on as a party? If
they say they won't do, are they the party? Those individuals, some of them are MPP. You have personal issues with people, personal problem. You feel that some individuals have personally hurt you. Are they MPP? Obi me to way, me kwam na me MPP. Into who can say Miracles Antonio Mama Mia, they are MPP. Oh, what are you doing? That is not how we run a political party. It is an order of winning flag bearer. And Nanka Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, say ya, open Cabenide. Aden Obi. It is order of flag bearer. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, say and Cabenide. Obi, okay, Bantidada. Okay, Honorable J.H. Mesa.
Yeah.
Onoana Konta, President Kofo. 1 year campaign in Tiano. Uncle Jina campaign, I think I said President Kofo, Bantidada, or you know, just Wayento. President Kofo winning prime minister. What say? Said that GH Mens and the number completely you don't threaten the new patriotic party. You don't. There is no justification for it. If you want something to be done, you don't threaten the party to have it done. Obviously, so by 23 years in the party, no party no great design.
Asempa FM.
Obi party no design. So what you say? It's young crying, yes, sir. It's Mona Mote party, Nana more party no fitting. If you do this, you are putting all of us our lives at risk. We wake up in the morning and labor for this party. Koshe, ko Facebook na ko Twitter la koshe. Obi, me wo constituency. The shesa ni amranti ko up and down. Ye adwuma party we. Na nipa baako. Because we say nipa mienu ana miense bi, o ma ye bibia ma na ye oyenti. O to party ni na atwene. Na we so be justify. When our lives are at risk, people's future at risk. Omo muti opa obi bi already SCA na my MPP for etie won kasa na obete ya omudi. Check for the past 6 months this party has been on course. After na hwede discussing. When was the last time we see discussing MPP say? Now the tape bia you be discussing MPP in this light bia no it should be coming from you. Why? You to abawie honorable Brana Champo. So Lucy, what is our BBC? Only concern. Now to obia kwa election no Lucy no yes here. You bet from my room. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia lost a national election. Have you heard him do this to the country? Now, Dr. Bawumia, Obi Wadaroma, Dr. Bawumia, Obi and Dinatem. Respectfully, Honorable Ken Agyapong himself, and ne supporter, Onuan Kasa openly insulted Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Onuan Kasa openly on the cameras in the name of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. What is that Dr. Bawumia say? Member of Honorable Kasa, this will be family. Why? Why? Obi, why are you holding all of us at ransom? I'm very passionate about this conversation because Obi, me no kase fiti anopa makasa radio so makoma ko sex. Mada me ni kum ne afre no manja na mafa phone. I was just on Joy News. Me yes me to nkwana asempa sai frame na maso abefa call. Ko Facebook na kohwe, ko Twitter na kohwe. Obi, there are MPP young people ya pamo mwefi o madwuma because some MPP for. They are counting on this party to get back to power. There are young patriots. Obi, oye nedwuma okumase, wa settle on in the family. Oye MPP ninti, NDC aban we bae, ya post no ko wale. Obi a wa bon ne ho atena se ye okumase, a we post na ko wale. Da ben e na oba be peska aboabo no afa ne ma akọ wale akọ school e de ma no. Obi ye dwuma o tamale. E ho no te, oye bibia o ho. Ya post ne fitamale e de na be hia bankan. Da ben e ndo ba ko so me. Also ye dwuma o diare. Or tamale. Almost posting if you tamale grab and kind because of MPP. He has to come to Accra with his 5 children and his wife. How is this person supposed to even readjust? These people have been victimized and they are counting on the MPP to come to power. That is what the party is and its members are focused on. We are not focused on individual interests, what we feel, any emotions. Obi, yeni abre. It's a question jadi okekano. I didn't want to comment on this thing. Me ne kasa o joy. Man commenting on it. But me tie no asempa no. Me raho. Me ya.
Asempa FM.
Me ya. Me raho pa. Why do we do this? Dear bone pa no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye. O bobo nipa mi ense. Na ka me so bobo Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Din nkono abeso ya ba be pa ocho. E cho pa ben biem. Dr. Bawumia ba ufie no abetena se. Anyway din komo. Wa company fu aka nyina ho ne o din komo. E de biem no ye. To Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia no kasada. Se all kaseti obi akwala na penin kwada obi. What about kompoda? Sinipa no na ye flag bearer. Hwe bra papa ya bre. 2024 campaign o ye. Tadwe da papa yitrim. Any ideas or one man my way or that to akonya so. Me no ka say committee meetings koso ono mo tinase almost niema to provide alternative solutions to this country. But he can only implement this thing when he wins power. Or so no pebia na mo betu bibia tum.
Yeah, but
Obi say ono akasa
but he
ye
even-
ono akasa obi say ono akasa ye dey ono akasa dey on yes you na obi na bibi he say obi why
yeah, but he
I think-
even made the point say for the past 6 months party for mo to abayi mu leader ewie no. Obia ye kom kasa kra mo nkasa bi na obia mpontimi nkretare dey aban no because mo nyina no o yusu phrase be say atentehuo etua mo nua moto. Ti obia kra ntimi nkasa na party na say mo wo ho na aban no ibu na oman no mo ntimi kra nkasa. You heard
Obi, is
that
it true?
as well.
Is it true? No correct. No correct. And you see, that is even disrespect to the teaming party people are Omoye Jumama MPP. Because Obi, what's your sempa? You know the news and the stories you have been discussing on Asempa. Is it the case? Say MPP, Eja Abino. Is it the case?
Asempa FM.
Isn't the NDC and its communicators all over the place defending this government? And your interview and Ndra, and when you be discussing, and won't we be discussing the NDC government? The most expensive government in the history of this country. The most expensive government in the history of this country, and it's our way. And on another year discussing as a an interview, no. And maybe you should remind him. So that is what we're discussing. Obviously, I have personally called on all our communicators not to comment on this and ask them. It's even at their displeasure. When I gave them that gag order, some of them even disagreed with me, but I told them that is their order. I didn't even want to comment on this. But for you to even come and say MPP for job by normal Obi, is that true? The millions of MPP people who have taken this government on, you are basically saying someone here. The unkwana obe kasanka obe to my year one. It's hurtful. It's very hurtful. So me no can say any interview or quiet and raw or threatening party here. And by now you discussing over bloated budget for this government. That's what we are discussing. And can discussing Chief Justice on your buying and penny for Shibomudam Pabakoso and Kadana Kabana Yeka. So you are the one who has distracted the party right now. And so don't come and disrespect the people who are sacrificing their lives for the party, fighting for this party day, afternoon, night. I am hurt by that comment. Very, very hurt by that comment. And yeah, and then I'm saying, and Dr. Mahmoud Bamia, any Christian Council Koshia. Obi, and yes, a few weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, and a minority friends committee, at the report on Mukonya free cocoa farmers, around the country, at the bread of Mahmoud Bamia. So what is he talking about? DM Panoka. Why? Yes, sir, no. Yes, sir, no. Obi, respectfully, people's lives are under threat because of this government. Obi, me no can say. Now by way tata. They would go after everything in your life, but we are all putting everything on the line to put this government on its toes. Because after all, kebi and none in a womb. Yes, you are no more some kasa. In the form of my equanimous yakasa. I didn't bia ye benya by way on the back foot almost yen yama and wow minor he would have to throw something in. Why?
So we say Kwesi Kwarteng chira say Kennedy air calling for unity. It was about 30 part or about 30 now. But Dennis I just said there be any unity sem. Na so Kennedy Canada. I know it. What is your view on this issue? Wait actually why you know air their mame. Comment section. Hi PENYAH Block Media.